Welcome, health enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and often overlooked: the remarkable benefits of pumpkin seeds for various parts of your body. Let's embark on this journey of discovery together. Pumpkin seeds, small but mighty, are a powerhouse of nutrients. But did you know about their unique benefits for different organs in your body? Firstly, pumpkin seeds are a brain's best friend. Rich in omega-3, S, and zinc, they enhance memory and boost cognitive function. A daily dose of these seeds can keep your mind sharp and focused. Moving to the heart, pumpkin seeds are a guardian of cardiovascular health. Their magnesium content regulates blood pressure, while the antioxidants fight heart disease. For the digestive system, these seeds are a dynamo. They're packed with fiber, aiding digestion and preventing constipation. A healthy gut means a happy you. Your immune system also benefits. The zinc in pumpkin seeds ignites immune responses, keeping you resilient against infections. Lastly, let's talk about the skin. Pumpkin seeds are a natural savior, rich in vitamin E and antioxidants. They promote healthy, glowing skin and combat aging. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet is not just a treat for your taste buds, but a gift to your body. Join us in embracing this natural wonder. Remember, moderation is key, and always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more health insights.